back to the channel. We got the Leaperkim Lynx S. We're gonna dive right into this thing.
Let's get it.
Let's get it done. See what we got. Super excited about this unboxing. This is the new version, isn't it?
That's right. Supercharged. What does that stand for? Supercharged?
Refined.
I mean, 25% more torque, 5 more
Okay.
miles of top speed. It is kind of supercharged.
What kind of specs are we looking at? What's the battery like?
It's 2700 watt,
Nice.
same as the OG. 6 pounds heavier. It's got heavier gauged electronics in that.
Wow, there it is, guys. Check it out. Here's the box. So we got a charger here. A lot bigger than I thought. Got some cups and pads over here. Are those the Gorilla pads?
What we got?
Oh, these are the same one that JD had for this patent.
Well, we're gonna find out if they
He's
sent
blowing
some
it
from
dark.
my OG
It's really nice.
or not, you know? They might have sent some new ones for you. Okay, there's them 3.
Check it out. It's beautiful, guys.
Alright, you boys wanna pull that out?
Yep. What? Yeah, who's box? What you got here, Jay?
Oh,
Here's the wheel.
fingerless gloves.
It came with 3 gloves.
That's cool.
Nice, let's see the gloves. They sent those for free?
Yeah.
Wow, very cool. Yeah, you need those. We got some wrist guards on these here. Check them out. We got some Velcro pads right here. Some extra pads. Knobs for the... Very
The
cool.
wheel looks a lot thicker.
Alright guys, this is what we all care about. What is that right here? Is that like a turn signal?
So that's like the Oryx headlight, I guess.
Wow. Looks like it's a slap. Look at that fresh tire. You got the knobby tire on here. And what kind of suspension they put? They did something else there, didn't they?
That's the OG suspension because a lot of people are reporting they don't like the new suspension. So I had them put the OG Lynx on there.
Wow. Here we go, guys. It's a, what, 3,800 watt motor?
You know what that tool is for? They not
This is
got
the
that.
whole testing report, guys. Check it out.
That's suspension.
That's to
Is it?
get into the valve to put air in it. To make it easier.
Oh yeah. Oh, they have those other
It's
valves.
very nice. Well, I can't wait for you to turn it on. I guess we got the handle right here, huh?
Still a piece of shit.
Yeah, it's a little jaggery, but it works.
Good thing I don't even use that. Thing is cheesy.
Turn on.
Yeah, turn it on and see what it's got. What is that?
Cool. Maybe 3rd time's a charm. Who knows? For
Hold it.
fuck's sake.
Oh, it's
Sleep mode. There you go, you gotta hold it. I guess it's like a transport mode so the wheel doesn't twitch out. Damn, it's coming alive.
Should probably read the booklet, I guess.
I don't know, it made a beep. I think we can let it go. Turn it off, turn it on again.
Alright, just better read the instructions.
Yeah, read the instructions and be right back. Rated Leaperkim pedals. They're very nice, check them out. Are these twisting spikes? Screw-in spikes or what? Feels nice and solid. We figured out how to turn it on yet?
It's just 10 seconds.
You could try. Yeah, hold it for 10 seconds and then let go and wait for 20.
So guys, this is how we get it out of transport mode. Get a little counter on here. It's gonna make that beep and that'll probably be it. That's it. It's alive. Turn on the lights, I gotta see that. Okay. Is that a sensor or what is that? Like a proximity sensor on the sides? Right, check it out, guys. It's a pretty Leaperkim tail light. With the third one in there. It looks really sick. That kickstand is nice and solid, but it's plastic, isn't it?
Yeah, but this is
I'm not sure I like the plastic. I wish it was metal, but I guess you can cheaply replace it. And you can fold it up, get it out of the way. Check that out. Is that an old Lynx thing too?
nicer than the other one.
And
Oh,
up here,
people hate it. They take things off.
here we got
Oh, it's
two
nice how you can like remove it out of
charging ports.
I can't remember why.
Two
people hate
covers.
it. They're removing.
Oh, because it's plastic.
I don't know why.
Quality feels really
That
solid,
fender
really
kicks
nice.
off a little further. That's pretty cool.
So you can just get it out of the way like that.
Yeah, it's gonna help with the ring.
Boom.
We need help with.
Boom.
I like the